Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Paige Cheyenne. If you're new here, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Continue to check me out, press the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. So y'all, this is part 2 on installing a quick weave. If you missed part 1, it's the video that I uploaded right before this, and that's basically how to mold down your cap. So definitely go watch that first and then come back. Make sure y'all come back and watch this one, okay? So in this video, we're going to be laying her tracks and laying her extensions to the cap and completing the quick weave. She has 3 bundles, and I believe one bundle was blonde. Or is it 4 bundles? I think it's 3 to 4 bundles. One bundle was blonde. She was a little nervous about doing the blonde. So what I did was did majority black and then kind of did like peekaboo with the blonde. So it was like a little bit of a highlight, something very subtle so she can get used to it. And then I told her, next time we can always go for more blonde. So the good thing with extensions is that it comes out, right? So if you're looking to try color, if you're looking to just, try something new in general, it's extensions, y'all. They come out. So it's not your natural hair. You're not going to damage your natural hair. So yeah, so we're just laying the tracks. I typically take my first couple tracks and lay them from the front of the face all the way around to the opposite side. This allows the hair to just fall in the face more, allowing it to be more full, especially when we go to curl. So now you'll see that I'll start laying them from side to side as I go all the way up. And then also with the lengths, as I start a new length in the bundle, I'll also do like the U shape to lay in the face as well, just so it can have some nice layer too. So quick weaves are rather easy. It's really laying, measuring, laying. It's really the same movement. And then once you get to the top, you want to ensure that you close it very well. The reason why it's going to be important for you to watch the first video is because this glue, you don't want it to get on your client's natural hair or your natural hair. So having that protector and that barrier is very important. So make sure y'all watch that video before you come to this one. After the tracks, sometimes I'll take my blow dryer just to make sure it's super secure. I'll probably do this maybe like every 3 tracks that I glue or so. But then you can also take like your spritz spray or your Got2b and spray the track and then blow dry as well. It just gives it extra security to make sure that glue is nice and dry. Typically, my clients can wear their quick weaves for about 3 to 4 weeks. It really depends on how much you sweat. It depends on your everyday activity, so it can vary. However, quick weaves is a very good style for those who change up their styles a lot, and when it's something you don't want as permanent, right? So it is less tension than a traditional sewing. You don't have as many braids, you don't have all the sewing, etc. So it can be quite convenient and something very just quick to get and quick to take out as well. As far as the takedown, it should be very simple. The tracks simply come off and then you just rinse your head under some warm water and the cap will come off. So all that yanking and all that is not necessary. If you put it on and mold correctly, it should come off correctly as well. So now we're at the top and I just make sure I get very close to that leave out. I didn't cut just yet where her natural hair is going to be for her leave out, just because I like to get that last track on there, but I do make sure that I'm at that perimeter and make sure that it's closed off very good, because that is going to help when you start to blend. Some people might cut this part out in the beginning when they're cutting out the perimeter. That is perfectly fine too. You just want to make sure that when you are putting on that last track that you are only getting that track on the cap and not on the hair or the leave out, because it's going to be a mess when you go to flat iron and try to get that glue out. So whatever you do, just make sure you stay on the cap, stay away from the client's hair, and then secure it very well. So I want to take my blow dryer, finish this off, and then we'll start the blend. So as I'm taking out her leave out the braid, you can see that I'm extremely close to where that last track is. So that's your goal. That's going to help you blend better. That's going to ensure that nothing's being shown as far as the tracks, and it's going to allow for the install to look most natural. After blending, I went ahead and threw in some cute body curls, nice and flowy. The install came out very good. She loved it. The blondes, you can see she has like little pops of blonde. I do wish we had a little bit more blonde, but she was comfortable with this, and I think next time she'll definitely go a little bit more bold and throw in some more blonde. So really, I'll have a different placement so you can see the blonde more. So this is the outcome. Again, it's very subtle. I cannot remember where she got these bundles from. I think it was like somewhere off of Amazon. Y'all, the quality of bundles matters as well. Just throwing that out there. But it came out very good. It's nice and flowy. This will last her a few weeks. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.